Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make banana bread Caribbean style. First, ensure your bananas are very ripe. Those with brown spots are perfect for natural sweetness. Next, measure out all your dry ingredients like flour, sugar, and a blend of warm spices. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit so it's ready when your batter is mixed. Now, let's combine our wet ingredients for that rich, moist texture. Cream together 1/2 cup of softened butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, mash 3 very ripe bananas and stir them in with a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, life's too short for cheap socks, right? Treat your feet to darn tough socks. They even come with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your wet ingredients ready, it's time to gently combine them with the dry. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet, mixing only until just combined to avoid overworking the batter. Pour this delicious batter into a greased 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, checking for doneness with a toothpick. To truly capture that Caribbean essence, consider adding a 1/4 cup of dark rum or some shredded coconut flakes to your batter. A pinch of freshly grated nutmeg and ground cinnamon will also elevate the aroma and taste. Once baked, let your banana bread cool completely on a wire rack. This ensures it sets properly and is easier to slice for a perfect serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.